Hello, I'm Anam Gul, and you're watching Dunya on your screen. Now, today, I'm going to introduce you to one of the most fascinating and futuristic technologies of our time, virtual reality. Get ready for an informative and exciting journey into the world of imagination, simulation, and digital transformation. What is virtual reality? Virtual reality, commonly known as VR, is a computer-generated simulation that allows users to interact with a 3D environment as if it were real. By wearing a specialized headset, users can step into a digital world and experience it from a first-person perspective. This world could be a fantasy game, a training session, or even a replica of a real-life location. How does VR work? VR works through a combination of hardware and software. The headset displays two slightly different images to each eye, creating a sense of depth, a 3D effect. Sensors in the headset and controllers track the user's head and hand movements, making the virtual world respond in real time. The result is a highly immersive and interactive experience that blurs the line between the real and the virtual. Types of virtual reality. There are three main types of VR experiences. 1. Non-immersive VR, basic simulations viewed on a screen, traditional computer games. 2. Semi-immersive VR, partially immersive systems like flight or driving simulators. 3. Fully immersive VR, complete immersion using a VR headset and motion tracking, making the user feel physically present inside the virtual world. Applications of virtual reality VR is being used across many industries: education. Students explore space, historical events, or the human body through virtual tours. Healthcare. Doctors and surgeons train in a risk-free simulated environment. Military soldiers practice missions through realistic combat simulations. Real estate. Buyers tour houses remotely through VR walkthroughs. Entertainment. Gamers enter fully interactive fantasy worlds, and viewers enjoy 360-degree movies and concerts. The future of VR. Virtual reality is evolving fast. With the rise of 5G, artificial intelligence, and the Metaverse, VR will soon be an essential part of our daily lives. From virtual offices and classrooms to remote tourism and social experiences, VR isn't just a piece of technology, it's the foundation of a new digital reality. Conclusion. So, the next time you wear a VR headset, remember, you're not just playing a game, you're stepping into a new world. Have you ever experienced VR? Share your thoughts in the comments. This is Anam Gul, signing off from Dunya TV on your screen. Until next time, stay curious and stay connected.